Welcome back to Digital Electronics Visualized. In this episode, we're building our second universal gate, the NOR gate. The NOR gate has an OR gate body followed by a small inversion bubble at its output. Its Boolean expression is written as y equals not A or B, or y equals a plus B all prime. Here is the key rule for NOR logic. Output y is 1 only when both inputs A and B are 0. If A is 0 and B is 0, y is 1. If A is 0 and B is 1, y is 0. If A is 1 and B is 0, y is 0. If both A and B are 1, output y is 0. To remember NOR logic permanently, simply picture an OR gate feeding directly into a NOT inverter. Whatever output an OR gate produces, the NOR bubble flips it to the exact opposite. Like the NAND gate, the NOR gate is a universal gate. You can build any logic circuit using only NOR gates. It's also used in active low alarms and SR memory flip-flops. So 2 inputs, 1 output, and only 0 and 0 makes it 1. That's the NOR gate. Subscribe because next up is the XOR gate.